Hello everyone, it's Jazz from JaziLupini, and I'm back again with another pasta sauce recipe, which is low carb, and it goes great with my low carb pasta, JaziLupini. So today we're going to be doing a nice delicious pesto. Let's get started with the ingredients. First, we're going to need half of a cup of pine nuts. Excuse me, that is my oven telling me that it's preheated. 3/4 a cup of Parmesan cheese. You'll see here I have a little extra because I really love cheese. 2 garlic cloves. 3 bunches of basil leaves, which is about 6 cups. You need 3/4 a cup of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. And that's all you need to get the pesto. Optional, though, is some lemon juice, which I think really brightens up the flavor. That citrus, it's just going to make it really delicious. So that's optional. And also optional is if you want to put some color in your pesto, is to add some sun-dried tomatoes. So you'll see that I have our pine nuts in this baking tray, and the reason for that is instead of just adding the pine nuts into the sauce right away, is we're going to toast the pine nuts, and it's going to give it that delicious flavor. It's kind of like when you toast pecans or walnuts or chestnuts, it totally transforms the flavor, and that's what this is going to do in our pesto sauce too. It's just going to really up the ante. So you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then toast the pine nuts for around 10 minutes, depending on your oven. You'll see that the pine nuts will turn a golden brown color. Be careful not to burn them though. All right, I'll be back. So it's been 10 minutes and we're back. As you can see, the pine nuts are a gorgeous brown color. I recommend just letting it cool for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to move on to our food processor. I've already combined the pine nuts, the lemon juice, the garlic, and the salt, and we're going to pulse them until it's well chopped. And this is what we end up with, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It smells even better. From there, we're going to add in our basil leaves. So now I'm adding in our cheese. So I've opened up this chamber right here, and as we blend, I'm going to pour the olive oil in. We've produced about 12 to 14 ounces of pesto sauce today, which you can keep in your fridge for 1 to 2 weeks. I usually keep it for about 1 week and eat it through my meal prep throughout the week. It keeps very well in the freezer. So this is what we've got, and it's beautiful. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you try this recipe and that you enjoy it a lot. Bye!